Hello everyone! Today, we've got a fantastic episode for all you green thumbs out there. We're diving into the world of vegetable gardening, specifically tailored for beginners who want to try their hand at growing their own veggies right at home. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of growing your own food, and it's not as intimidating as it may seem. We'll cover all the basics, from selecting the right location to choosing the right vegetables for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to harvesting your very own fresh, homegrown produce. Let's begin with the basics. The first step in vegetable gardening is choosing the right location for your garden. You'll want a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. A well-drained area with access to water is essential. Once you've chosen your spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Testing the soil and amending it as needed will ensure your plants have the nutrients they need to thrive. We've got a separate video on soil preparation that you can check out for more in-depth information. Now, let's talk about choosing the right vegetables for beginners. Start with easy-to-grow varieties like tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, and peppers. These are great options to get you started without too much fuss. When selecting your seeds or seedlings, pay attention to your USDA hardiness zone and the growing season in your area. This will help you choose vegetables that are well suited to your climate and will yield a successful harvest. Once you've got your location and vegetables sorted, it's time to get planting. Follow the planting depth and spacing instructions on your seed packets or plant tags. This will help your vegetables grow strong and healthy. Don't forget to water your plants regularly and provide them with the nutrients they need. You can use organic fertilizers or compost to enrich the soil and promote healthy growth. Now, let's talk about keeping your garden pest and disease-free. One of the best ways to prevent problems is through proper spacing and crop rotation. This helps reduce the risk of pests and diseases taking hold in your garden. If you do notice pests or signs of disease, there are organic methods you can use to manage them. Things like neem oil, companion planting, and hand-picking pests can be effective without resorting to chemical pesticides. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. Knowing when to harvest your vegetables is crucial. Each type of vegetable has its own optimal harvest time, so be sure to research or refer to the instructions on your seed packets. Harvesting your own vegetables is incredibly rewarding. You'll get to enjoy the freshest, most flavorful produce right from your garden to your table. And there you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to vegetable gardening at home. Remember, gardening is a learning process, so don't be discouraged by any initial challenges. With a little patience and care, you'll soon be enjoying the fruits or vegetables of your labor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And don't forget to share your gardening experiences and questions in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!